Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is NaZiyah. If you are new here, I'm so glad you are here. And if you are new here, thank you guys for coming back and hanging with your girl. I truly appreciate it. I sound like morning. I'ma just be honest. I look crusty, dusty, disgusty. It's 8:27. I was supposed to be at work at 8, but here we are. Y'all, I'm on my cycle, so I'm just like, I'm not even in the mood. I'm just here. But anyways, last night went to sleep with my Stanley without no top. I was waking up during the nighttime, you know, having like menstrual cramps and stuff. I hate when my cycle is on like its first day because I cannot sleep. That's why I woke up a little bit later than my normal schedule. Today we're going to work and then I am going to go work out, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I have so much to talk about. Like, I want to yap about what's going on in the news, especially about the NaZiyah Harris case. I have some words about that. I have a lot of words about that actually. And then I also want to talk about the TikTok ban. Like, y'all, TikTok finna get banned. I have a feeling we're gonna wake up on Sunday and TikTok is still gonna be there. Yeah. But anyways, y'all, enough yapping. Let me go ahead and put some eggs on the stove. So I'm just gonna boil some eggs and this. I'm gonna put a little timer before I forget that this is on the stove, because I am good for that. 15 minutes. It's a little 15. And let's go to work. Turn up these lights. Yes, I'm wearing a bonnet to work. I don't have no meetings. Don't care. No.
Which one is better?
This is a pre-workout. It's a thermogenic fat burner.
So I should be taking this.
Yes, and I be putting creatine in my smoothie.
Where you get this from?
Amazon. That's what happened at Walmart too. I got another one there. This is non-stick.
You take this one scoop by yourself?
You don't have to dry scoop. You just put it in some water.
What is dry scoop for?
But you don't have time to put it in water and like actually drink. But I need to, when I dry scoop, I have to stop dry scooping and like drinking little by little. I need to drink a lot at one time. You need to drink it at least 10 minutes before exercise. So hurry up.
What?
Can't curse on YouTube.
Yes, who?
It says YouTube. So get the monetized.
I get Alright. What water do you use?
Why would you do that? 10 ounces. 10 minutes before exercise. Do not consume after 5 p.m. Everything's from Amazon except for these sweats. I don't even know where these sweats are from. My shoes, I'm wearing my Asics. Ugh. My gym bag is from Amazon. And my leggings, which won't be seen because I'm on my period, so. Okay, so I'll see y'all later because, yeah.
Singing, how could you do this to me?
I might record while I'm working out. I'm not sure. Guys, so Eric and I are back from the gym and it was a really good workout. I did record a little bit, but I do get a little bit shy recording in our gym. I mostly like to record in our apartment gym. It gets a lot more private, and I'm able to actually film how I want to film. Hey guys, so we're about to leave. We're off to go hang out for Lauren's birthday. I want it woofing like you bought they for stop they make you later. I got something to hurt against you going through in the mind. But I'm no, can't run with me, gon' ride with it. This nigga block ain't roll, so we ain't gon' play roll. Yeah, they round. Yeah, out of there, out of there.
I swear it ain't gonna whoa, whoa.
And I'm so glad that we stopped sleeping on Coach, because we know Coach has been like that girl since I was little, since my mama was little. So I'm glad that it has made its resurgence. Hey babes, so it is Monday, January 20th. It is MLK Day and it is inaugural day. Y'all, this weekend, I don't know, it just felt like a blur. But yesterday, y'all know, the TikTok ban happened and then TikTok came back. I just honestly felt like we're being pranked, because what was the reason? They brought TikTok back after 14 hours. Like, what was the point? And then they banned the other sister apps that TikTok has, like CapCut and some other app I don't use, but it's all owned by ByteDance. So I'm just annoyed because I'm trying to finish editing the rest of this vlog. I can't even edit because CapCut is how I edit my YouTube videos. So like, I'm just so annoyed. Like, you know, I be trying, and then it's just like one bump in the road. Always, it's always a bump in the road. But hopefully CapCut comes back, because they already brought TikTok back. So I'm like, okay, well, where is CapCut gonna come in and, you know, be reinstated, creators create content using CapCut. Like, this is something that we use daily, so it's really detrimental to us and we need it. And I feel like there's no other app that hits like CapCut. And I looked at our Twitter and stuff, and I haven't seen anything. Like, they haven't sent any updates, so it's really annoying. But yeah, yesterday I really didn't vlog. I actually didn't vlog at all because me and Eric were just being lazy in the house. We had a lot of fun at Lauren's cocktail party, so that was cool. Yesterday we kind of cleaned up a little bit and just lounged around. I also got to edit a little bit of this vlog before it like kicked me out. But yeah, we didn't really do much, so I didn't feel the need to vlog. But today I got my app up. Okay, I got my, like, I was clocking into early shift to create content. So I recorded one YouTube video, live streaming feature restored. People were already live streaming. Previously unavailable. I just got an email that said, "Dear TikTok shop creator community, the previous unavailable live streaming feature is now operational." Well, I seen people live streaming, but I didn't see people like doing their TikTok sales or whatever, doing like TikTok shop live. So that must be back. But there's like a weird glare or something. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I did my makeup. I did some content today. I was really looking forward to like starting to edit today. I might download Final Cut Pro because it's a 90-day trial. Because they have a 90-day free trial. And I was just talking to one of my fellow creators, Bria, about it. So I'm gonna see how she like it, because I just can't get down with no other editing app. I don't like iMovie. Hate that shit so bad. Like, it's so stupid, it's slow, and it takes too long. Like, no, we're not doing that. I'm going to download Final Cut Pro anyways, because I might just go ahead and start editing the video that I recorded today, and then once CapCut comes back up, I'm gonna start editing the vlog, because I don't have time to waste. Like, because before you know it, another week is gonna come, and then I'm just gonna have videos piling up back to back, and I hate that feeling. I mean, I have really good SD cards that hold a lot, but at the same time, I don't want to be holding on to content, because then it just prolongs the editing process, get things mixed up, and I end up deleting something. Like, no, I don't have time for that. Like, you gotta, as a girl, it's hard. You gotta keep going, because a new week will come up and then you will get off track. So I've been learning that. I'm downloading Final Cut Pro right now, and hopefully I can edit when I come back home. I had took some pictures on Saturday night at Lauren's apartment, and her apartment has really good light. So I'm going back to her house today, and we're gonna take some pictures. And she needed some pictures too for her birthday, so we're gonna take some pictures and call it a day. I'm just yapping right now, to be honest, because I am about to head out. But I'm trying to install Final Cut Pro so that I can see if I like how it edits tonight when I get back home. But if I don't like it, chat, if CapCut don't come back this week, then I'm gonna just have to re-edit this vlog. Oh, my hair. Then I'm gonna just have to re-edit the vlog on Final Cut Pro, and I'm gonna actually be pissed, like pissed, that I have to re-edit this vlog. Jesus, I did not even think that because TikTok was getting banned, CapCut was going to be getting banned. I didn't even think about that. But I wanted to yap about the NaZiyah Harris case, and I'm only going to yap a little bit because it's triggering. So trigger warning: if you don't want to hear about themes of sexual assault, then I would skip past this. It's probably going to be the end of the video, so just click out the video, because at this point, that's it to the vlog. But I really wanted to talk about the NaZiyah Harris case, because like it really did something to like my spirit. It's so foul, and you cannot tell me, you cannot convince me that none of them knew what was going on. I'm so confused as to why none of the adults are in jail, and I really think that that should be a thing. I guess I can give y'all the background story without, you know, doing too much, without saying too much, because I don't want to trigger anybody, and I don't want YouTube to get sensitive, because they're really sensitive. But basically, NaZiyah, she's a 13-year-old girl who is missing. She is presumed to be deceased because she hasn't had any activity. She hasn't had any type of activity since the last day she was seen. So therefore, she is presumed dead. Like anybody a blind man can tell that a blind man can see that that baby is gone, especially with all the circumstantial evidence. So if you don't think that baby is gone, you're in denial. You're in denial. You need to touch base with reality and consider the circumstances surrounding everything, because that will let you know right there that she's gone. She was unalived by the uncle because he was having a sexually inappropriate relationship with a minor. Yes, she was a minor. It started when she was 12 or 11. I think it was 11, but I'm pretty sure they're positive that he was grooming this baby way before that. He just never escalated it until she was probably 11. But I believe wholeheartedly that he was grooming that baby, because he was just in jail and giving a 4-year-old a disease. Like, at this point, DP him. He needs to go. He needs to go. Like, get him out of here. Women or men who are complicit in their significant other or a family member actually assaulting a child in their family should go to jail. They need to go to jail 100%. Like, I feel so bad for NaZiyah Harris because she didn't have a chance. Like, the family has deep generational wounds. Father wasn't in her life. Her mom became a drug addict, and then she had to live with her grandma, and there's also a bunch of other kids in the situation, and it's just a lot of things in her environment that led to her demise. I went through so many rabbit holes. I watched a lot of videos last week on the whole entire thing, and it just got really dark for me. So any decent human can see that that's foul. It's negligent. It's disgusting. The auntie jail time, the granny jail time. Of course, the uncle, he's in jail where he needs to be. He need the DP, to be honest. Lock everybody up. Lock everybody up.